English Step by Step, Gerunds and Infinitives, Step 5. In this video I'm going to go through the answers to the practice exercise in video 4, in the Step 4 video. So you can watch that first, try the exercise, and now we'll check the answers. So here are the answers. The first one, I agreed, and it's about a contract, so the logical verb is to sign. So it's the infinitive, so we need I agreed to sign the contract. The next one, you've decided something for a job. So I think we need to use the verb look because we have the preposition for. You've decided to look for a job. Now the next one is about jazz music, so of course the best verb is listen. He preferred to listen to jazz music. Now the next one is about a bill, so obviously pay. We refused to pay the bill. Now the next one is about an exam, and we have the preposition for, so we need to use study. I've been trying to study for the exam. The next one is about the flat, so they should help. Yes, I think we need the verb clean. Yes, they should help to clean the flat. The next one is about homework. So what is the best verb for homework? I haven't managed... Finish. Yes, I haven't managed to finish the homework. And the next one is they promised. Well, what did they promise? I think help. Yes, they promised to help. So there you have 8 more verbs which are followed by the infinitive. So there are many more, but please remember these are the common ones, so practice those. So that brings us to the end of this Step 5 video. Move on to the Step 6 video, in which we'll look more at another structure with infinitives, using infinitives.